Do you ever feel like your amazing digital products aren't selling well? Here's a secret: how you package and price them matters greatly. Today, I'll explain how to bundle your digital products. This strategy increases sales, adds customer value, and makes your offers irresistible without creating anything new. If you want to work smarter, not harder, keep watching. First, what is a digital product bundle? A bundle combines two or more existing products into one offer. Often, it's at a slightly discounted price compared to buying them separately. For instance, if you sell a digital planner and a habit tracker, instead of selling them individually, bundle them into a productivity kit. This increases perceived value, encouraging customers to buy more at once. Now, why does bundling actually work? Here are 3 key reasons. 1. Perceived value increases. Customers feel like they're getting more for their money. 2. Reduces decision fatigue. The bundle simplifies choices. Just grab everything you need. 3. Higher average order value. Instead of a $10 sale, you make $25 or $30 in one transaction. Think about how Amazon suggests bundles within their shopping experience. You can replicate this with your digital products. Let's discuss different bundle styles you can create, no matter your niche. 1. Starter bundle, great for beginners. Example: a blogger might sell a blog starter kit with essential tools. 2. Value pack, bundles several related products at a discount. A home organization pack could include several useful charts and lists. 3. Themed bundle, products all centered around one theme, like a holiday bundle with various festive templates. 4. Mega bundle, everything you've created in one package, often sold at a premium. This is ideal for special launches or promotions. Next, pricing your bundles effectively is crucial. You want your offer to feel like a steal while retaining profitability. Here's a simple formula. First, sum the individual product prices. Then, discount by 20–40%. For example, if your 3 products are $10 each, that's a total of $30. Selling the bundle for $18 to $20 offers a deal, while making you more than selling a single $10 product. Always display both original value and bundle price to heighten perceived value. Now, where can you sell your bundles? Etsy is excellent for them or seasonal bundles. Gumroad allows easy digital file delivery. Use Shopify or WooCommerce for store owners. Leverage Pinterest by linking to your product page. Remember, your sales page should showcase the bundle's value using engaging visuals, bullet points, and clear inclusions. Bundling alone won't drive sales. You need effective marketing. Here's how. 1. Highlight the savings. Display the regular price and bundle price side by side. 2. Create scarcity. Offer a limited-time bundle to prompt quick decisions. 3. Show the transformation. Instead of just listing products, emphasize results. For instance, boost productivity instead of just saying, includes 3 planners. 4. Use email and AMP, social media. Announce your bundle, show off mock-ups, and share behind-the-scenes content. Here's the takeaway. Bundling your digital products is a powerful way to increase sales and customer satisfaction without creating new content. Start simple. Choose 2 or 3 products, create a themed bundle, set a discount price, and promote it. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and comment below your first bundle idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.